raised many concerns on this letter that we have written to him. We have raised a concern about the environmental impact, where there will be a depletion of forest cover in that area. We have raised a concern about the existing pollution levels and also the undermining agriculture and conservation efforts, credibility concern, and the potential for misuse. These are the concerns that we have raised in our letter to the Chief Minister. But, sir, it seems that because after we made a spot inspection to this site from the Voice of the People Party, we are made to understand that the government seems to carry out this project surreptitiously, quietly, just asking the staff to leave the premises. And we are also told that the government is going to take over even the land adjacent to that CTI, Conservation Training Institute at Bernihat. So, as we had already discussed about the existing pollution levels, on the other day, the local MLA had raised this issue in this August House, and our Honorable Chief Minister has replied, expressing the problems since that area is also in the border area with Assam, where pollution is not coming only from Meghalaya's side, but also from many industries that are coming from the Assam side. But sir, since we know that this is a very serious issue, I think that should not be the reason that why we can't improve the environment in that area. We know that there is a provision in the Constitution of India, Article 263, a provision with respect to an interstate council. And let me read out this article, sir. If at any time it appears to the President that the public interest would be served by the establishment of a council charged with the duty inquiring into and advising upon disputes which may have arisen between states, b, investigating and discussing subjects in which some or all the states or the Union and one or more of the states have a common interest. So, sir, I think there has to be a common interest between Assam and Meghalaya as far as the quality of environment in that particular area is concerned. So, and we know that under this article, a Sarkaria Commission on Interstate Council was also established in 1990. So, I would advise our Chief Minister to make use of this council to engage with the Assam counterpart, how to improve the environment in that area. Because, sir, to establish more industries in an already most polluted area in India would be a disaster to the people living in that area. So, let me also remind this August House that the people living in those areas, many villages have come together protesting the intent of the government to establish industries in that area. We had gone deep inside that area. We could see the difference between the main road and the kind of an environment deep inside that area. And there are many large number of trees. So if the government is to convert that area into an industrial estate, we could easily understand that the government will have to cut the entire hills, because industries cannot be set up in that kind of situation, sir, in the kind of the topography that is there. So therefore, we feel that this matter should be resolved, and as we are not against development, we would like to see development, but not at the cost of the environment and the safety of the people living in that area, sir. So therefore, sir, I joined the mover and strongly support, and I hope that the government will find an alternative place. Please save that area and also the area of belonging to the horticulture. And it will come to more than 4,000 acres of land. So that is a huge land, sir, because if we are to